Hello everyone, vcity global users. Today is May 5, 2025. In the Chinese 24 solar terms, it is Li Sat. From today onwards, all things in the world will flourish, which is a very auspicious time. Today is my weekly report time, and it's also the time for the re-release of the 529 council member slots of City of Pi that were previously stuck on the blockchain. This time, vcity payment is accepted. I hope those users who didn't manage to grab the council member slots before will be very lucky and buy their desired position or luxury home. Today's program has several parts. First, I'll update everyone on the development of our various sections. Firstly, regarding the Cocoa section, as you have already seen, our points system has been tilted towards Cocoa. On May 9th, they will launch the game section. Initially, maybe 1 or 2 games will be launched, and then more will be added gradually. The play-to-earn model we talked about before will gradually take shape. However, the data will be constantly adjusted. Those who get points first might have a head start. I also hope those who like playing games can spend more time and energy in our vcity game ecosystem because you can benefit from it. Traditional games, on the other hand, might just be played and forgotten. But it's different in vcity. The game you play today might have a butterfly effect on wealth growth in 20 or 30 years. I also hope the Cocoa team can continue their efforts. As far as I know, we will have daily statistics of the project. The Cocoa team is still calling the technical team at 12 or 1 o'clock in the morning because the technical team is online 24 hours a day. So every team is working hard, which is a very good signal for the development of vcity. Next is the Between section. In the future, the Between section, like the Cocoa section, will have a separate app like the Metaverse. We previously launched it in Canada and Hong Kong. In the future, we will also work hard to upload our app to more Apple and Android stores. From the layout of our entire vcity, you can see that each of our 12 sections is not only resilient and a closed-loop system, a creation from 0 to 1, but it will also independently become a separate app. You can imagine its future combat power. Moreover, our data team can ensure that it's not only an independent app, but the data is also connected to the blockchain data of our entire vcity. At the same time, its web version, the web end, completely synchronizes all information, so vcity's data team is also extremely powerful. The Between section will also have 2 or 3 updates every month, just like the Metaverse and Cocoa. Let's do a math question. We have 12 sections in vcity. Each section is required to have 2 to 3 updates per week. Logically, in a month of 30 or 31 days, there will be updates every 1 or 2 days. Yes, vcity will be very, very lively. So, those users who don't pay attention to vcity for 1 or 2 weeks, or even 1 or 2 months, are likely to lose many opportunities because every update of each section, I require every team to be very strict. I need every 2 weeks of updates each month to be valuable and meaningful, not just some superficial gimmicks. The Cocoa and Between sections have also received a lot of anticipation from everyone. I think the teams are also working hard secretly. I hope our own 12 sections also compete with each other. Only when they compete can I not be so tired, right? I also thank the teams for their efforts. Next, I'll specifically talk about the nodes. Indeed, the data of our blockchain nodes increases every day. Our nodes are completely online. Every day, you can see that its online nodes are increasing, which means that they are staked, genuine investments. Actually, I got some information from the node team that our node builders also hope to increase their computing power. There are still 3 directions. First, if you want to increase computing power in the AI section, you will need to configure GPUs. We will divide it into 3 tiers: entry-level, mid-level, and high-level. There will also be requirements for the GPU. In the next 2 weeks, our technical team will announce these requirements to everyone. Those who want to participate in calculations in the AI section can pay attention to it. At the same time, for the distributed storage section, hard drive-related configurations are also needed. Our Node team will also provide relevant data on how to configure it. Then there's streaming media. Indeed, the streaming media has some hard requirements, which is the bandwidth for uploading and downloading. From this point of view, I also hope that users in Malaysia, Vietnam, Taiwan, Japan, and South Korea can build more nodes and apply for higher bandwidth to support our streaming media and between sections. I believe that through the efforts of our core team, our technical team, and our nodes, our entire between streaming media, including our between app, will become more and more popular and fashionable. After all, streaming media is a very hot trend right now. Lastly, the part that everyone is very concerned about is the auction of 29 street front shops on May 25. I required the Metaverse team, especially the City of Pi team, to announce the relevant details of the auction, including the relevant implementation details, next week. Let those who have entities or businesses or those who are entrepreneurs have more time to prepare. Because these 29 slots are even more difficult to compete for than these 1,500 council member slots. So I also hope that the team or we as the project side can provide users with more time to think and prepare. Yes, this week our vCity overseas version has also made many progress. I believe users can feel it every day. Not to mention the functional updates, just the relevant data iteration that our database has to do every day is very tedious. I also hope that our users can feel the team's busy schedule and mental exhaustion. Okay, that's all for this week's report. I wish everyone a happy LiSat and a confident and energetic day. Okay, see you next week.